like, it's just one of these things where I've thought, I wish I knew this
Before.
15 years ago. So, and what I had loved about your makeup lesson, which I never really thought about before, was if you make a mistake, do you know what? This has been game changing.
Okay.
I'm getting up early tomorrow. I'm going to do the eyebrows. I'm going to do the whole lot because I have to give a presentation, and I know that I will feel really confident.
You feel
And
better,
I
yeah.
didn't,
How long
you know,
have you
I
been
just put
taking
it
to
on
put your makeup on? Like, how long?
15 minutes.
Okay, so
max.
it's super quick, like
Not,
quick and
but
easy. Yeah.
probably quicker. I mean, the longest thing that took me was to learn how to use this. Like, you have like just transformed my makeup experience, so I'm
Oh,
really
that is so
grateful for
good.
that.
I love
So,
that.
you
I
know,
love that. I
you know,
really love it.